So let's talk about what's on this very last slide. And actually, I'm looking at it now and I'm thinking it's basically just showing us the exact same thing that I just talked about. And so they're asking you, when are we going to use those different fluids? Again, we are mostly using isotonic fluids in terms of just basic fluid replacement. We don't want fluid moving out or more fluid moving out and in than should be. We just want the normal amount kind of moving around. We don't want to change the gradient between these two things. Again, we talked on the other slide, when would we give a hypertonic solution? When we need to pull fluid out of the interstitium or we need to pull fluid out of a cell. When would we use a hypotonic? Is when we want to pull fluid into a cell or into the interstitium. And so all you have to understand is what's happening when we give these solutions, and you can figure out any question from there. You don't have to memorize anything. You just have to walk yourself through what's happening. And I'll tell you, like, on a number of exams, when I was in school and didn't have this stuff kind of just memorized, or I'm just used to giving fluids, so right? Before that, when I would answer questions on exams, I would draw in the corner. I would absolutely go, okay, well, we've got less here, we've got more out here, so it's going to go like this. If this is a cell, then okay. And I could answer the question that way every single time. And there's absolutely no shame in doing that until you get into practice and you've been giving these fluids every day. You're not going to be able to comfortably just go with an answer. So if you need to draw it out, go ahead. And finally, that is that for this unit. So hopefully I have been able to explain well enough, and we will see you guys next week for acid-base balance.